In order to update the NVIDIA drivers on Windows 11, you have to first use GeForce Experience. And once downloaded, open the GeForce Experience and then go to its Drivers tab and then click on Check for Updates. If updates are available, click on Download. Choose Express Installation from the Automatic Updates and restart your PC after installation. You can also download from NVIDIA website. Visit the NVIDIA driver download page and enter your GPU model and operating system and then search for it and download it on your device. Then run the downloaded file and select the Express installation and finally restart your PC. You can also update through Device Manager. Press Windows and X and select Device Manager, or you can right-click on the Windows icon over here. Then go to Device Manager. Go to Display Adapters that you will find between disk drives and firmware. Expand its option, select the driver, right-click on it and then click on Update Driver and select Search Automatically for Drivers. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.